Hey, good morning, my friends. We made it. Friday, right? Seemed like a quick week to me. I woke up, I said, wow, it's Wednesday. Then I woke up yesterday, wow, it's Thursday. Now, wow, it's Friday. It's Friday. We have a storm system with some spotty rain showers in the southeast part of the state. I'll take a look at that with you. Of course, I'll take a look at the weekend with you, just a little preview. Saturday looks like a dry day. Sunday looks like a nice day in southeast lower Michigan, and other parts will have to start to deal with some showers. Then we've got an interesting weather situation for next week as we have a significant rain-making storm system heading this way from the southwest. Then it pulls the cold air in, lake effect snow, maybe solid accumulating snow in the UP, and much colder temperatures for lower Michigan. Yes, Michelle Cork, the week has flown by. Kind of scary sometimes, does it? Isn't it? All right. Eric Betts says, bring on the snow. Well, we won't bring it on that big just yet, but we will. And Michelle Cork, warm weather. In aggregate, I would not call it warm. Okay, here's your composite radar. Again, it makes it look a little more vigorous on the rainfall than it actually is. When we zoom in, you could see that still a few spotty showers around the southeast, but not a significant amount. Now, here's your radar forecast, and bear in mind at this time of the year when we get cooler than normal, you can always get a little bit of spurts of shower activity here and there. We're at 9 o'clock, mostly dry. We're at 10 o'clock. John wants to know, Mark, snow time for the hunters. And Matthew says, good morning from Traverse City Hunters. Bear with me here in a few moments. We're going to look at the U.S. model out to 16 days, which brings us close to that, okay? I'm fearing that we may have used up our cold air by then. Hey, Leslie Stark, 65th birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, so we're into Friday afternoon, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. You know, this tries to indicate a smattering of some showers popping up overnight, and certainly that is always possible, but they're really light things, okay? Hi, Seaboing. Okay, now, here's the model that I've been showing you. I've been liking it lately because it gives you the perspective here of storm system moving off, dry conditions, next storm system. James wants to know when the ice fishing season is going to start. We have a little while. And Rebecca says, good morning from Seaboing. That's one of those words that when a meteorologist moves into a TV market, like say when I worked in Flint, Saginaw, Bay City TV, they always try to throw that word at you the first day. So you go, whoa. Doing outdoor anniversary pictures. I want to get back to that comment. Oh, I'm trying. Sunday in Taylor. How's the weather look there? Sunday wind. I would do it. Let's see, Taylor. Remind me where Taylor is, and then I'll let you know. Southeast, you're going to be pretty good, but we're getting into that right now. This is Saturday, midday Saturday. And look, we're right in the middle of no weather. Here's our next storm system. Okay, Saturday evening, so if you're going to the Wolverines game, you've got fine weather. Now we're into sunrise Sunday, okay? Here's the storm, southerly winds developing, a patch of some showers, probably a morning quick shower across northern lower, but look at southern lower, 2 p.m. You're in a good southerly wind. And here's the cold front, the storm system. This isn't the major storm system. This is storm system, a weaker one, okay? So then we go into Sunday night. The showers develop, maybe thunder showers. And we go into Monday morning and Monday afternoon, and it dries out again. So to get stuff done here, today's a pretty good day for it. Southeast, you might have some showers. Saturday's a good day. Bob Roth is saying, got to get the leaves up. I worked on it already yesterday, halfway, but it's kind of agonizing this year, isn't it? It's one of those deals where it would just be nice if they just went all at once and then you could get them before the snow flies, is the problem that we deal with sometimes up north too. So you got mostly a dry day today. You got Saturday dry to get things done. Much of Sunday in the, let's call it the southeast half of lower Michigan, should be pretty nice. Then a rain comes in, then Monday dries out again, and then let's get to now what it looks like for next week. Okay, first off, temperatures, high temperatures. Today, we'll call it mid-40s to low 40s in the south. Tomorrow, we'll call it upper 40s south, 40s, low 40s north. Sunday, we'll call it 50s in the south, upper 40s in the north, 40s in UP. Monday, not bad. Temperatures in the 50s. Hey, good morning, New Buffalo and Adam Vandro from Roseville. Everybody joining in today. And then we go into Wednesday and Thursday, and the colder air starting to come on into the area. So quick look at the extended. Here's our storm system for Sunday into Monday. It's gone. And then here comes our election day storm. A big rainmaker. And on the backside, this could be accumulating snow. And then this model wants to have the wind back. That's a windy, cold situation on Wednesday with lake effect snow showers. And remember I showed you how I look at these numbers? 0 degrees Celsius at 5,000 feet. Rain snowish -3, -6, -9, -12, -15. We go into Thursday. This probably will overdo it a little bit because the lakes usually hold this up. But the point being is if this is just 3 degrees off aloft, it shows you a cold pattern. Look at that, a -18 starting to show up. That makes a high temperature probably of 20 degrees. Okay, so we're going to get pretty cold toward the end of next week. Have your boats winterized. Have anything that you need to do that you don't want to freeze, have it done. We're into next Monday, November 12th. Now, for the deer hunters, we're going to go out a little bit further. Okay, another storm system. But what I've been seeing is as we get out to 13, 14 days, again, that's too far out to believe things. By the way, this right here, deer hunters, this would be middle of the day, opening day, November 15th. I would not believe that at 13 days out, but what I do see is the cold pool backing off. We're out 16 days. Remember I showed you that -12, -15, -18? That's shifted all the way back up, and we're into a milder flow. Are we going to use this cold air? What I've been noticing is we're in month to 2 month patterns. I can't tell you exactly when it flip-flops, but it seems like if we're warmer than normal, we're warmer than normal by a big amount, 1 to 2 months, and then it flip-flops and we're colder than normal by a pretty big amount, 1 to 2 months. Our latest cold pattern started, I would call it mid-October, and that doesn't mean mid-November, 30 days, boom, it flip-flops. I'm just saying sometime mid-November to mid-December, it probably will flip-flop, and that'll probably last a month or two. So there you have it. Hopefully I didn't confuse you because there's a lot going on in weather. Today, mostly dry except for the southeast. A few showers there. Take a little bit of a rain jacket with you there. Saturday's dry everywhere. Sunday, looking good in the south. And then next week, it's quite stormy and very changeable. Have yourselves a great weekend. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Thanks for joining me. Remember the morning MLive weather update? Keith Lund, yes. Michigan weather equals bipolar. Let's get it some medication, okay, and even it out. Have yourselves a great weekend.